Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with eXp Realty, and we are at my new listing at 864 East Indian Wells Place in Chandler, Arizona. Welcome to our latest listing in Lagos Vistoso. We are at one of the many pocket parks inside this community. I really like this one in particular because you have the picnic tables that are all covered, the barbecue area, as well as all the children's playground here, which at the moment is empty because all the kids are in school. Speaking of schools, we have Ira A. Fulton as the elementary school, Santan is the junior high, and Hamilton is the high school. Before heading over to our beautiful new listing, the big question a lot of people have is, well, where am I going to shop and where am I going to eat? So I'm over at the Fry's Plaza, which is less than a quarter mile from the house, so you can get all your groceries right here. As well as, you want a snack from the fast food places? Well, you have your Panda Express, your Jack in the Box, where you get your Jumbo Jack every time Chandler Jones sacks somebody. You got your Starbucks, so you can get your triple mocha latte grande, as well as across the street, a Dunkin' Donuts. After consuming all that food, you're obviously going to need to work it off. Well, there's an Anytime Fitness located right here as well. So you can work out, well, anytime. This home is a two-story, 2,652 square foot with a 3-car garage. It has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. This home was remodeled just over 2 years ago. So in the kitchen we have the upgraded quartz countertops, the subway tile backsplash, as well as upgraded cabinetry. And the floors, what I really like about this is that the whole first floor has all been completely redone. There's no carpet on the first floor at all. I absolutely love this floor plan. It is truly an entertainer's dream. We're in the family room at the back of the home. So if you have guests over, it's great for entertaining. You got the lake right out there. You got this storage room right beside me to where you want to have all those board games for all the people you have over, as well as formal living and formal dining up front. And if your guests are too tired at the end of the day to go home, no worries. We got our own private mother-in-law suite with its own private bathroom. A lot of homes seem to treat the laundry room as an afterthought. It's a pass-through to the garage. So every time you get home, you're reminded that you have to do laundry because it's piling up on top of the washer. But not in this home. It is its own private laundry room. So if you want to procrastinate and not do your laundry, just shut the door. You also get a half bath down here too for your guest. Upstairs, we have the master bedroom with its own private bathroom, 2 other bedrooms that are oversized, as well as another bathroom. I am standing in the loft area up here, which is perfect for if you got kids for all their toys, a gaming area, or just another family room. Tons of options in this house because it's a beautifully laid out floor plan. One of the things that my clients had done when they bought the home a couple years ago was they had this fence added back here for added security as well as safety. If you do want to have it open up, it's not really that big of a deal. It's perfect for paddle boating as well as kayaking or just looking at the ducks. This home is already set up perfectly for you dog lovers out there with the fenced-in yard as well as the grass out here. However, if you would like to add a pool, being that this yard is more than double the average lot size right now, you have plenty of space to do that as well.